Okay. First of all,
Your story.
yeah, my story is that I started way back in, I think it's 10 years ago, yeah. And I was a little bit insecure about my look, and I saw that I had male patterned baldness, and I could also see that I was NW6, I think. So the journey was starting 10 years ago in Oslo with a bad transplant. I was looking for about a year, doing my own research, checking the best doctors in the world, and I started with Christian in Belgium. And from there it's been a journey.
So the journey is this now. Put your head down.
Yeah.
Okay. We have done several sessions with some scalp, but because it was over harvested by previous surgery, so we had to go and use body hair and mainly beard, because our friend has a lot of beard, luckily. So we have used the beard, and actually, funny enough, today when I'm touching the beard, you can see some of the beard that are a little bit weird, but most of the beard, the consistency has changed to adapt, because if you look at his beard, is weary compared to his scalp hair, but today the beard onto the scalp has almost the same texture as his scalp hair. So this is quite an interesting case, because we have more than 10,000 grafts there, and the result look fantastic. So this is what it is all about. We want patients to be happy. As you say, we're almost now like family.
Yeah, we are.
And thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you. Thank you.